What is up, everybody? How's it going? So, as of now, as we speak, I think my channel's got 450, 451, something like that, subscribers. So obviously, I appreciate every single one of you that'll... People probably like, what the fuck is that? I appreciate every single one of you. All the likes, comments, whatever, views. It's all, you know, it's great. I as a channel who doesn't make any money off of this, it's just something I do for fun. So I appreciate all of you. You know, the fact that some people, you nice, very, very nice internet people, choose to subscribe and watch and follow and comment and do all the fun things. It's really cool. So, as I'd like to do, because obviously I'm going to say this now, I don't make any money off this channel or any social media at this point, so it's not going to be something huge. But when I get 500, maybe 1,000, or maybe 500 and 1,000, well, whatever, I'd like to do a little giveaway for the people who, you know, are subscribed and do all the fun things, because I'd like to give back to you beautiful human beings, you. So in the comments below, what'd be super cool is if you all, you know, comment something you'd like. Obviously, this is not going to be a huge thing. This is not going to be a jacket or, you know, a set of tires, something like that. Like, I don't know, a pair of gloves, or I don't know, something along the lines that's like motorcycle related, but also not super expensive. I'd like to show you a thanks for being... Holy shit, look at all the turkeys. That's a lot of turkeys. Look at all those chickens. By the way, I'd like to show a little thanks to all of you people who watch, and, you know, because obviously playing the YouTube game, subscribing, liking, watching, well, sorry, watching is something that doesn't really seem to matter anymore, but like... I should have gone that way. I don't know if actually I could go that way. Comment something down below that you'd like. When we hit 500, when we hit 1,000, obviously if I start making money off this channel, giveaways can be bigger because they can be expensed. You know, right off business expenses, baby. But, you know, just something, whatever, a pair of gloves or like a gift card, something that would be useful for somebody who watches this channel, obviously, because I would assume if you watch this, you're into motorcycles, so something motorcycle related. Yeah. So comment down below, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do. Comment, like, share, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more. I don't know if you can favorite things, but probably not. Just do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me, and I very much appreciate it, because obviously playing the YouTube game, it's all numbers and algorithm shit. So make sure you do all the fun things. Tell me what you want in the comments below, and I'll see you later. Peace.